Hey guys, Kyle here. Today I'm going to be installing SharkFin for my 2013 STI. So let's get right into it. It should be simple enough. So the instruction says to cut out a template. This is what I did. Then you gotta unscrew your antenna. Set that off to the side in your pocket or whatever. Then you want to find the correct screw. Comes in this bag here. Also comes with some alcohol wipes so you can wipe down the surface of your car. So yeah, out of the 3 screws, find the one that fits your hole here without dropping them and having to roll down your car. So for me, it's not the smallest one. Here's the medium-sized one. It looks like medium has the gold. Yep, it'll fit in there nicely. And you see the big one doesn't even go on and just keeps spinning. So small one. Alright, so what they say to do is to place your pattern down. But first, you want to connect this little bungee thingy onto your antenna. This is so you can actually have your radio, even though I don't use my radio, but screw this thing down. Just have your screwdriver. Getting it just nice and snug-like. There we go. Okay, so now you gotta position it for this thing. So I'm presuming gonna be all the way back and have the antenna down and have this side right there facing up, I guess. That's why I'm doing it. Camera's falling. Alright. So once you know that it fits on there, see, it's a bungee thing, fits up right in there, and get it to where you want it. And I think the hardest part about this is going to be making sure that this rubber seal stays on the outside and doesn't get pinched up. If you get pinched up, then you're going to allow for water leaks. So I think I'm going to come at this from a side angle perhaps, because this thing uses 3M tape, and I don't know if you guys seen my rain guard install, but 3M tape is some sticky stuff. I mean, that's some stick, man. Alright, so once you get this thing on, time to position where you want it, whether it's all the way back or forward. I don't know, I'm gonna go all the way forward, it just seems simpler. Then you got room to move side to side, and with that room, you want to make sure that it is even. So when you come back to your car and look, see if it's even, and this fin is not. And that is even. Alright, so with that being even, you want to take your pattern, you want to take some pieces of tape. I'm using masking tape for this. If I can find the beginning of it, there it is. once you have your position set, you want to make sure that you can get it in that spot on the first try. And for me, I want to know it's going to be like on this side for what I can see. It's like right there or something. Yes, I know my car's dirty, so shut up. And it helps be a little bit tall to do this as well, but I am not tall. All right. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. All right. See how I'm trying to get it lined up with my Subaru logo here, and so that's what I'm basing it off of. We're going off that to that. So then of course I'm looking from that side to this side right here, and I'm eyeballing it to the middle of the vehicle, which to me this looks pretty even. I mean, from a distance, no one's gonna be able to tell, even if it's off by, you know, half an inch or something. Of course, I say that, and well, I'm just gonna say it's good. You know for sure that's where you have it. Take a look at your line here, see where it's gonna be sitting flush at. Right there. So then set that off to the side. Take your little cleaner thingy that it comes included with. So you can prep your surface for the adhesion. Also clean the base, because you're never going to see this thing again. Alright, so it hasn't been the warmest of weather out, but today I've actually got a good day. So okay, now in order to go ahead and prep the surface, I'm going to, since I did clean it off, I'm going to go ahead and heat it up so I've got better adhesion with the 3M tape. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and do it just for safety measures and make sure that this tape does stick on the first go and that it stays adhered. So I'm going to, moment of truth, take this off, and let's not screw this up. Make sure your seals are all going the right way. Okay, I only pushed down the back portion because I want to double check again. Since it still looks like it's lined up, I'll go ahead and take off this tape. Okay, this stuff's stuck a little bit too well. Alright, now the pattern's off. Now let's give it one last look at before I push it down for good. Okay, now that you know that you got it down for good, firmly press down. Make sure your seals are all good. Get a nice good firm pressing on it. And for me, I'm gonna go ahead and heat it back up. So I know this thing's got a good connection. All right, this thing is on here pretty good. I'll let that cool off before I go taking this thing out to wash it again. All right, well, here we go. I did a pretty good job. Lined up, fin straight. It is lined up. My logo. So there we go, guys. There is the SharkFin. And according to my camera, that took me 20 minutes. Well, plus I grabbed my heat gun and plugged it in and all that. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description down below where I bought this product from. And if you have any questions, shoot me a comment, let me know. And yeah, just stay tuned for my next mod. So should be coming up here shortly. Not sure how soon, but I'm gonna try to put a video out every month or so. So we'll see how well that goes. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. See you later.